Meaning of halibut.
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 Halibut. Halibut is a type of flatfish that is commonly found in the North Atlantic and can also be found in the North Pacific. It is a highly prized fish for its firm and flavorful white meat, which is often compared to the taste of cod or haddock. Halibut is a versatile fish that can be baked, grilled, broiled, poached, or fried, and is often used in recipes for fish tacos, fish and chips, or as a healthy protein source in salads or pasta dishes. This delicious fish is a favorite among seafood lovers and is sure to please even the most discerning palates.